Alright, welcome back. This will be our third full video. I don't know that we'll actually record all of it because, what are we making today?
Sushi?
No, we're making tamales, babe.
Oh, I can't forget.
But as it turns out, it is much harder than the grandmas on YouTube banging them out make it look. So we're going to do a couple here today, and Kenna's gonna learn, I'm gonna learn, as neither of us had done this. Got a few practice ones in before the actual shoot. So what we have is, we have our masa flour that already has lard and seasoning and stuff in. Chef Nate, my boss, is a genius with flavors, and he took care of that for us, and they're already measured out in the amounts that we want to use for each tamale. Right here we have Kenna's favorite, shredded cheese. With her, the cheaper the better. As long as it comes in a giant bag and it's shredded, she's about that life. And then we have slow cooked pulled pork shoulder, or pork butt. We took some chilies and adobo, onions, garlic, tomato paste, the pork juice from cooking it, and made a little roja sauce, and then tossed our pork back in there. We're gonna get going here. I'm gonna start spreading. Oh, I forgot, you need corn husks. You wanna soak them. For me, it seems like the wider ones are super easy to use, though my opinion means very little, as this is the first time I've done this. We're gonna go ahead and spread our masa in a nice layer so Kenna can get to filling. Imagine people out there know that there's a million way easier ways to do this than I'm gonna do it, but it's alright. We're having fun. We're about learning, right, babe? What is your favorite? Are you just gonna eat tacos with dinner, or are you gonna eat the tamales we're making? Just tacos? What is your, what's your favorite kind of taco? You don't got a favorite? You're not being very talky. You want to get the people to give you a big thumbs up, right? Alright, here you go. So we got our masa spread most of the way. We leave the gummed edge, not too dissimilar from a rolling paper. Put a nice line of our filling right in the middle. You want to sprinkle this with cheese, babe? Alright. A nice layer of cheese across that. And go down the whole thing, babe. Oh, that's enough. Alright, now you want to roll them? Alright, she is taking this over all the way to the seam on the other side. And she is using her fingers in a tucking motion to kind of scoop the masa, hopefully making a nice ring all the way around our filling. Alright, you want to roll it up? Show them the fold. Roll it up nice and tight. Then you fold it right at the bottom of your masa. Drop it in the pan. That's alright. It's fine, babe. I'm gonna go the other way. Oh yeah, you gotta tuck your crease on the bottom. And then it'll hold fine. You doing alright there, kid? Yeah. You having fun? No? Not enjoying it today?
Nope. I do my stomach.
Your stomach isn't feeling too well. We can do the video another time.
I'll try that. Keep it when you're not. This really hurts. I feel like I'm done. And this doesn't see the video because it would be
Alright, well, this is a cooking video. Let's keep it good. How are you enjoying not having school right now?
Yes, I'm enjoying it, but I'm not liking it.
Why not?
Well, I don't get to come into the store because I need to find that toy.
Yeah, because of the Rona.
Yeah. You want to know what toy I want?
What toy?
It's like a one, and it's an egg one, and they have eggs in the box. Like they look like real eggs, but they're not because they have a heart on it, and you have to rub it with your thumb. And then when it gets into a other color, you can crack it, and you push in the purple, and then you can see the animal. But there's also 2 animals on the side.
Yeah.
Which,
Sounds pretty cool. Good.
yeah, you want to know how I know it?
Hmm.
I saw a video on YouTube.
On YouTube. You kids and YouTube.
Well, I have YouTube on my computer.
Are you gonna roll the tamale up there?
Oh, sorry, did I not? Wait, there's not cheese on it.
Oh, you're the cheeser. Remember?
The cheeser and
You can't get distracted talking and forget that you're making the cooking video. I guess, I don't know, this is cooking. This is more of a prepping video, but still, you got your grandma Angie and stuff out there watching, and you've got friends in Australia that made waffles and sent you a video.
It was the first time I saw my grandpa's sister. The first time of my life.
You learned Kenna is very big on singing. And music is about her favorite thing.
I'm gonna be a famous singer.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Who's your favorite singer?
Me! I'm gonna be the favorite singer.
You're your favorite singer? That's a smart.
I'm gonna sing a very good song. Well, it's about love.
You gonna sing a song about love? Are you gonna roll that other tamale?
I didn't know it was there. Oh, you go so quick. And I always put it there. I put it right here because it was too far away.
That's fine.
What? You didn't? It's not right. It's right there.
There.
This is so quick.
We're getting faster for sure. Yeah, those first couple were a little janky, huh, babe?
Yes. I'm like this because I do not like the touch with bare hands. I do not like to. Yeah.
It's just water, babe. Starting to sound
After this, I'll have some chocolate.
sounding like the Karens at Walmart.
Why can't we just do a trip of a video?
You wanna go on a trip for a video?
Yeah.
I mean, we can record when we do our mushroom hikes or something.
Yes. Are they gonna do a today? Well, tomorrow if I don't go to my dad's house, are they do a trip of a video? Okay. Are they go in the woods?
You probably go, yeah. Probably go after we get done rolling tamales. I know Chewy wants to go.
Well, when we go in the woods today, or still they'll make the video. I hope we do.
Yeah, we can probably do a live one, babe, if you want. So, I mean,
Yes, I'm doing a live one.
I'm very bad at editing, so we basically just show the whole video anyway.
Well.
I gotta say, I thought we were gonna take forever to do these.
In my trap forever. Ho 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 ho.
And I don't know, babe. I'm figuring
Yes,
it out.
you do.
The corn husks seem pretty,
Are you just like Joker from the movie?
Not like Joker from the movie. You think I'm a depressed clown? I'm a depressed line cook.
No. I think I am.
You are not a depressed clown.
Well, I don't think I'm a bad cooker because I do not like to touch with hands.
Oh, that's alright. At work, we don't cook with our bare hands. We always wear gloves every time we're handling food. I'm excited to eat
I'm cleaning
our
my hands.
janky tamales. Oh, you got 2 more left.
I don't want
3 more.
mine with it. I like this.
Oh, you don't want... Oh, I see. I totally forgot pork. You don't want pork on it? You
No,
just
I
want...
don't like pork. I like this because I had it on the chips of dinner. You know, chips of dinner, and they put stuff on it.
I mean, this is masa, not hummus, but I'm gonna let you know, babe, this is your world.
My world. My world. Make sure you keep this one mine.
I tell people on the internet all the time it's your world. That one is yours. Alright, I'll make the last 2 just cheese. Just cheese is gonna be not that good, babe. Masa's good, but not like, eat.
Oh, I wanted out
Eat a bunch.
cheese.
Or, ooh, you're gonna go on liberal. Nice. Well, alright. After this, we're gonna build a pretty ghetto version of a steamer because I don't own anything similar, and steam these because when I agreed to this task, I really thought that they were a baked item, and I wasn't going to be putting racks in weird stock pots and going that route, but that is what we do when needed. Just load that one with cheese.
I watched the Loris today.
Yeah,
With you.
I know, but you're not talking to me. I thought you were talking to the people watching your video.
I was. I was talking.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And then I talked to you. And also the people.
You want to tell the people that do watch, thank you for watching?
Thank you for watching. And click all the animation bells.
Notification.
So just like and subscribe.
And then push that bell.
I'm not sure what she's talking about.
Notification bell.
She probably
I watched the
update
YouTube
notifications.
thing at the same time.
I know. You watch more YouTube videos than
I
I
hope
do.
you watch the movie I love.
I'm gonna grab a little more pork for one of these guys right
And
there.
also get some more cheese.
Yeah, more cheese?
Yeah, we need more cheese. We're running out. You see how much there is in there? See how much? That is a lot. Just a minute. I'm gonna go for some more cheese. And we got some more cheese.
These ones will be no roja, so
Just
that you can eat
more to
them.
go on here. Then the last.
Alright.
Oh.
Well, honestly, those went way faster than I had expected. I didn't think we were gonna shoot this whole process, but luckily we were able to. I feel like this is the point in the video where I pitched the Learning Chefs group, but
I hope
my
you
shirt's in the
enjoy the
washer.
show. And
I already
push.
said that, man. Yeah, we're still same video.
Oh no.
But thanks again. We'll post up pictures of the results.
Yep.
Maybe show pictures of the ghetto steamer I make for it. But thank you for taking the time to watch. Alright, now these have steamed for about 40 minutes. We left them a little longer. They stayed warm for another 20, so they steamed for about an hour to cook all the way through. The meat was already cooked, so you're basically just cooking your masa. Want to go ahead and unroll it, babe?
I'm
Sure.
afraid.
Don't be afraid. Hopefully our masa is completely surrounding it. We'll kind of do it in a way. I'll help you.
Ooh, okay. This is what it looks
Oh, we got a little tear in the back, but
Oh, in the chair right
but
there.
yeah, that's not a tear. That's the open end. But not bad, dude, for your first time.
Yeah.
We'll cut through.
And Dad will try it.
Oh yeah, look at that. You want me to try it?
Yeah. I'm just I don't really want to have it anymore. I don't feel like eating anymore.
That's alright. That's really good. That came out really good. Not bad for our first attempt. Tell them thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, and if you forgot, then give us a huge thumbs up. If you forgot.
You gotta talk a little louder, but huge thumbs up.
They.
Alright.